Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change your date of birth on the Instagram because sometimes we need to show it on our profile. So in this video, I will show you how you can change your date of birth and you can show it on your profile of the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Instagram and then you will see profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it, and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see setting options. Click on it, and then you will see account options. Click on it, and then click on personal information, and then click on date of birth. After that, you will see edit in account center options. Click on it, and then you will see edit options. Click on it, and then change your date of birth according to you. So after changing the date of birth, click on save options, and then click on confirm. So guys, in this way you can change your date of birth on the Instagram and it will show on your Instagram profile. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.